Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, like my video and share my video. Hello friends, in my previous video we discussed about how to create sets based on values. But today I am going to explain you how to create sets based on values and quantities. Regarding this today we will discuss. Okay friend. So what is the meaning of values and quantity? Value means it is a slab rate of sales. For example, 5%, 10%, 50%, 100%, 150%, 200%. That is fixed by the GST office or central government. Quantity means some certain amount per certain quantity. For example, see here. Sets on tobacco based on value and quantity. Value rate is 5%. Quantity rate is 2876 per 1000 sticks of cigarettes. So today I am taking cigarette stock items. So regarding cigarette stock items I am going to make a video about sales. Okay. So here quantity means that is some certain rate per certain quantities of item. For example, rupees 2876 per 1000 sticks of cigarette. So each cigarette cess cost is 2 rupees 876 paise. Okay friends. So today we discuss in Tally regarding this. Okay, now we move to Tally. So create all necessary ledgers. So go to the gateway of Tally, select create, press enter. Select ledger. So first create purchase ledger. Purchase at 28%. So these are all comes under luxury items. So all luxury items comes under 28% GST slab rate. Okay. So create purchase at 28% under purchase account. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set order GST detail. Yes. Friends, don't set anything here. Don't set anything here because we are setting in creation of stock item screen. Okay, you just press enter and accept it. Don't set anything. Type of supply goods. So next sales at 28% under sales account. Set to yes. Accept by pressing enter button. Select goods. Create tax ledger. CGST at 14%. CGST at 14%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST. Tax type, select central tax. Yes, GST at 14%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST. Tax type, select state tax. Accept. So now create sales ledger. This is our topic ledger. Sales at 5%. Duties and taxes. Type of duty / tax. Select GST. Tax type. No central tax. No integrated tax. No state tax. You have to select cess. Valuation type. Don't select based on quantity, based on value. Select any. Press enter and accept it. Okay. So create party ledgers. NTC Industries Limited. Industries Limited. Under Sundry creditors. All supplier comes under sundry creditor group. So next, Vinayaka distributor. Under sundry debtors. Okay friends, we created all the related ledger accounts. Now we move to creation of stock items. So go to inventory master, select stock group, give the stock group name tobacco products. Tobacco products under primary. Should quantities of item be added, say to yes and accept. So next move to unit of measure. Here it is showing unit. In earlier version it is showing unit of measure. Symbol, give sticks, STKS. This is the symbol. Formal name, full name of STKS. Sticks, accept. Come to the stock item. Cigarettes, 70 mm. Under tobacco products, select sticks. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST details, set to yes. Okay friends, here we enable valuation option by pressing F12 configuration. So press F12 configuration. See here, select valuation type. Select valuation type, set to yes. So before this one has not come. So now it has appeared because of we enabled by pressing F12 configuration. Calculation type on value, taxability, select taxable, integrated tax type 28%. So here press backspace. This is very important. We set to value plus and quantity value. Select based on value and quantity. So value is 5%. So quantity value is 2.876 per sticks. Friends, why I am giving unit stakes? They are calculating additional cess on each sticks. So that's why I am not going to create unit, packs or box, etc. So 2.876. 2.876. Goods, accept. Okay. So come to the vouchers. Come to the gateway of tally. Select vouchers. Select purchase ledger. Give invoice number. Select supplier name, NTC Industries Limited. Purchase ledger, purchase at 25%. Select stock item, cigarette 70 mm. So 10,000. 10,000 sticks. So each pack contain 10 sticks. So 10,000 divided by 10 means, so that is 1,000 pack cigarette. So here I am taking only unit, not pack. So each stick rate is 10 rupees. So total 1 lakh rupees. Press one more enter. Select CGST. Select SGST. Select cess. Okay. Now verify this value. On 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 28 divided by 100, that is 28,000. 28,000 divided by 2, CGST and SGST, that is 14,000 each. come to the cess. Cess at 5%. On 1 lakh, 1 lakh into 5% divided by, that is 5,000. So value rate is 5,000. Okay. So and calculate 2,876 per 1,000 cigarettes. Okay. So total cigarette how much? 10,000. Control N for calculator. So 10,000 into 2.876. How much? 28,760. 28,760 plus value 5%. 1 lakh into 5 divided by 100, 5,000. 5,000. So the total cess is including value plus quantity 33,760. Check it here. 33,760. So this is the verification. As per our verification, what we enabled when we creating the cess ledger, that is right. Okay friends, like this you have to create the cess ledger and including GST amount. Accept it. So go to the sales voucher. Party account name Vinayaka Distributors. Sales ledger, sales at 28%. Select cigarettes, 10,000. ₹12 each. This is selling price. Select CGST, select SGST, select cess. Verify this. 28%. 1,20,000 into 28 divided by 100, that means 32,000. 32,000 divided by 2, 16,000, 16,000. CGST 16,000, SGST 16,800. Sorry, not 16,000, 16,800 each. Cess. So how much cess? 1,20,000 into 5 divided by 100, that is 6,000. So verify here. 1,20,000 into 5 divided by 100, that is 6,000. So cigarette value 10,000, quantity value, that is 2.876, 28,760 plus 6,000, 34,760. See here, 34,760. Our calculation also 34,760. Okay friends, like this you have to create cess based on values and quantities. Friends, I hope you understood this topic. Please subscribe to my channel without fail. Please like my video and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.